आउज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज क्लास 6 के तलबा व तालिबात एक बार फिर अपना सब्जेक्ट यानी साइंस पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमारा जो चैप्टर चल रहा है वो चैप्टर नंबर 13 फन विद मैग्नेट्स। एंड टुडे in this chapter our topic is poles of a magnet. What are the poles of a magnet? If we try to keep a Bohr magnet in such a place where we find the iron fillings, and we try to keep in close contact these iron fillings with the Bohr magnet, and after some time we find that major iron fillings are stuck to the ends of the two ends of the Bohr magnet, and only a few fillings are found in the other sides of the magnet. So two ends of a Bohr magnet are called the poles of a magnet. The poles of the magnet attract the iron fillings and other iron things towards it more than the major part of the magnet. In other words, if we suspend the Bohr magnet through a thread, after some time when it rests, it gets pointed towards north and the south. The end of the magnet which points towards the north is the south pole of the magnet, and the point and the side which points towards the north is the south pole of the magnet, and the point and the side of the magnet which points towards the north is the south pole of the magnet. And if we try to label on the sides of the magnet as north pole and the south pole, and if we take a few magnets and see what is the north pole and what is the south pole of this magnet, and after some time we try to keep in close contact the north and north pole of the two magnets, we find that like poles of the magnet repel. In other words, if we keep in close contact the south and south pole of the magnet, other magnet, two magnets, the south and south pole of the two magnets also repel each other. This indicates that the like poles of a magnet repel. In contrary to this, if we keep close the north pole of one magnet and the south pole of the other magnet, or the south pole of the other one magnet and the north pole of the other magnet towards each other, we see that the poles attract each other. This indicates that the unlike poles of a magnet attract and the like poles of a magnet repel. Now, where are magnets used? What is the use of these magnets? We know that in ancient times, to see the direction, it was used to see the direction in ancient times. Particularly, there lived an emperor in China whose name was Hong Ti. He was using this magnet while riding in a chariot in new and open places. This information gives us that magnet was used in ancient times by the man. Now, today we find that magnets are used to find direction in ships, in aeroplanes, and in forests, but with the use of compass. Now, what is a compass? A compass is a device in which a magnetic needle is used. A compass is a small box with a glass cover on it. A magnetic needle is pivoted inside the box which can rotate freely. It has a dial with directions marked on it. The compass kept at a place shows the North Pole and the South Pole of that place by pointing towards the north and south directions. The needle shows the two directions. The needle rests on in such a way that it indicates the north and south pole of the magnet. So in ships, in aeroplanes, and in forests while traveling, we use this compass to know the direction, and with the help of this we can find our way. Hope you have got the chapter and the topic poles of a magnet. Thanks.